Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, this video is going to be long and you have to like hang on till the end because there'll be a giveaway. Before I start this video, I just want to thank each and every one of you who had helped me reach this milestone of reaching 1500 subscribers. So I think by the time we are filming this video, it's 1700 subscribers, and I'm really happy and I'm really grateful to you guys. So I am hosting a giveaway. I got a bunch of products from the UK, and I thought, you know, I will give some particular thing to you, so you'll have to watch till the end to find out what it is. So firstly, I bought these things from Beauty Bay, and my friend was coming over from the UK, so he got me these products, and so I didn't have to ship, like I didn't have to pay for shipping, customs, anything of that sort, and I can, you know, really enjoy the products without spending extra. So most of the products are from Beauty Bay, and then there are some from Amazon and Cult Beauty as well. So in case, because there's so many products, it will be difficult for me to link them down below. In case you want to know where I got it from, you can probably leave me a comment where I can just tell you where I got it from. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's start what I've got. Remove the original packaging of most of the products to save us some time, but then for some products I've kept the packaging on because it looks so cute and pretty and nice. So let me start with this. So this is the Nina Ricci Lactase gift set. The packaging is beautiful. So this is how it looks. It's like golden thing, and I love this. So what it has is, it has a perfume, it has a lotion, and it has a travel size mini perfume like so. Forgot to mention, I shopped from Beauty Bay when it comes to Morphe, Sleek, Maybelline, Makeup Revolution, pretty much that. Shopped from the MUA website because I got a bunch of MUA stuff. So I shopped from their website directly, and yeah, so it was pretty convenient that way. So I have bunch of lipsticks. Now I'm not going to swatch them, I'm going to keep it for a different video, but I'll just tell you what all I got. So I got these 4 colors from a Sleek Matte Me range. Now I thought these 4 colors will be the best suited for me, and the other colors were like okay, and I was like, I don't want to like risk it, so these are the colors. So I'll just fire it up. There's Vinto Tinto, Velvet Slipper, and the last one is Shabby Chic. 8 MUA lipsticks. One is Moxie, Dash, Vivacity, Tranquility, Reckless, Zest. I'm wearing this color right now. It's Cookie. Last one is a color enhancer lacquer. So it's like a white color which you can mix with lipsticks and all that, and you can get a better color. Those were the lipsticks. I'll do a separate reviews on how they are and all that. So I quickly want to say, if the video if the lighting of this video is not very proper, it's just because I'm using this ring light. I got that too. So I'm using this ring light for the first time in this video, and I don't know how it's going to come out to be. I'll have to maybe work out on better settings. But if the video is not right, if the lighting is not proper, excuse me for this time. I'm going to work it out next time. So this is a lip scrub by MUA. So I got the Maybelline Super Stay Primer, Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Perfector. So this is the Pout and Prime Primer by MUA. So many things on this table, I'm getting confused what I'm showing and what I'm not showing, but oh god. Let's go to brushes. So I've got a few brushes from Morphe. M158. So it's like a spoolie and this kind of a brush for eyebrows. B30, what is it? Morphe B37, Morphe M321, Morphe B42. Heard a lot about this brush, hence I got this. This is Morphe 439, Morphe 501. Those were the brushes. So I got two brush cleaners. So one is a spray kind of a brush cleaner, instant brush cleaner. So this is the MUA brush cleaner. So it comes with a spray. And I got the Makeup Revolution Pro Hygiene Antibacterial Brush Shampoo. It looks like that. So it's a shampoo. Okay, so brushes are done. Oh god, so hot. Now quickly a foundation as well. So this is Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade 07. Now the highlighters, one highlight from MUA Highlight Shimmer. I did try this on because the packaging is simply so beautiful. It's the MUA Lux Glow Beam Liquid Highlighter Cushion. So it's a cushion highlighter. So that has a mirror thing. Remove it. I don't want to blind you guys. And then there is this liquid highlighter. I've got two more highlighters. This is the Sleek Highlighting Palette Solstice, if that's how I pronounce. So it looks like that. It's so prone to fingerprints, but it's like that. And these are the shades. The highlighter Cleopatra Kiss, which I'll be showing you in a minute. Blushes. So these are the Blush by 3 palettes. I had the shade Sugar long time ago and I loved it, so I went ahead and got some more. So this one is called Lace. It's called Pink Lemonade. Also got the Morphe Z palette. So this is the 12Z, 12Z palette. So this looks like this. I love the colors. Got this BH Cosmetics 28 color eyeshadow foil eyes. Now I wanted the 35F from Morphe, but that's always out of stock. And this was a very close dupe, and it has many shades which were similar to the Morphe mug shots. So I thought, I'll get this because I was desperately looking for foil eyeshadows. So I got this palette. But this one I got from an Insta seller. I'll link him down below in case. So this is the 35C Morphe. I love this palette because of the looks you can create, and they are all matte. 5T, and during transit, by the time it reached me, it didn't have two shades. So it has all warm, bronzy, warm shades. If you have been watching my videos from the very start, the first skincare video I ever did, or the second one, I had shared this product. Now this is the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel. It is an excellent toner, and I can't say enough of this product. I love this product, and this product actually lasts for I think a good 1 year. But yeah, so that's the product. Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. I got the biggest pack available. because that was actually more sensible thing to do. God, this light. And the last thing is this konjac sponge. I have used this sponge before, the pink clay one, so I got this black one this time. So I love these sponges because they are amazing for cleanliness and exfoliating, and they make your skin look so soft. Now the giveaway now. So the rules are simple. I kept the rules in a way that which I would like to follow, so I kept it that way. So the main thing is that you have to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below that you have. Also on the Instagram page, you can go ahead and like and comment on the picture of the prize I'll be showing you in a minute. So just click on pretty much it, and at this contest will get over on 20th of April, and I will announce the winners on 21st through a random generator, and it will be live on Snapchat and Instagram. So for bonus entries, you can also add me on Snapchat. And yeah, so basically, if you add me on Snapchat, you will be the first one to know who is winning, and also post the winner down below, and within 24 hours, I will probably email the winner, and I would expect the winner to revert to me in 24 hours. Otherwise, we'll move to the second winner. So the prize, so I am giving away this sleek highlighting palette in the shade Cleopatra Kiss. This is finger prone. I've not opened it. It's just that while opening, it's like that. It's fingerprint prone, and I'm going to show you how the highlighter looks. That you'll be winning, you can Google the swatches. I cannot show you the swatches. It's beautiful. So it has 2 cream and 2 powder swatches. I'm going to keep this safely now. Where is the plastic? Okay. Why not give you something which is not easily available in India? And because I had got so many things, and I got this product specifically for you guys, thinking that I'll keep one and I'll give away one. So yeah, the rules are very simple. As you can see, I'm not kept any rules which is difficult to follow. I've kept every rule which is super easy. Just subscribe, comment down below that you are entering this giveaway, like this video, and obviously, and also once I pick up the random winner from the random generator, I'll also check if that person has followed me on Instagram or no. So make sure you leave a comment down below for the giveaway prize picture. Just like it, and probably just comment down below, and this will go on for a month. So I will be announcing the winners on 21st of April. And yeah, so all the best, and a big thank you to all you guys again for helping me reach here. And yeah, this is anyways a long video. It's going to take a hell lot of time for me to cut it short. So that's all. I'm not going to blabber any much. So I'll see you next time. Bye.